everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to change this actuator that's leaking. We're also going to change this three-way valve. It's actually only a two-way valve. You can see it's been leaking water for quite a while. We've got a bucket filling up. So let's get into it. Alright, we're going to take the actuator off of the valve. We're going to be replacing both of them. It just makes it easier to get this off and out of the way. Clean these threads up. Get all the old dope and garbage off of it. All right, here we go. We're all set. We got some Teflon on. We got dope over the Teflon. Now we're ready to put that three-way valve back in. Look at that. Valve. We're going to clean her up. We're going to bleed out the coil. We're going to run water all the way through. And we're going to bring it out the drain over here with the valve closed. So we're going to go in one side and out the other, get all the air out. And then we're going to move on to the actuator. So this actuator that we're working on is serving an old hot deck, cold deck air handler. Leave in the comments below if you guys have ever worked on one of these bad boys. Alright, we're up and running again. Testing the operation of the actuator, making sure it's going in the right direction, which it is. We did have to make an adjustment on this particular actuator. That little button right there to the left is your polarity. It changes your direction. So we're looking good. We're going to button her all up, clean her up, and give you a final look. This is the man behind all the work today.